Hello fellow YouTube subscribers, this is 2HK Gaming, and this is a video from a while ago. It's quick scoping Black Ops 2, and I just wanted to share this with you guys, so please enjoy. Thank you.
Alright Moti, let's have a little fun with this one. Turn my shits up. Turn my shits up. Act like that, this that bounce, clap like that. Girl, how you not in the front with a back like that? Back in the booth like booyah, who y'all gonna call when I rip like this? Duck down, when I get like this, cause ain't no telling what I'm gonna hit. Gunning for the top, but I'm killing everybody under me for the fun of it. Wake up, my weight up, nobody I came up with touching me. So I dropped 2-0-13 with the whole rap game, see if they want some of me. Fourth quarter, Kobe and shit, Jedi mind like Kenobi and shit. I know we the shit, been over this shit. I'ma take the game and bend over this shit. Took my time, mine for the taking. They broken records, I'm record breaking. You married the game, you took the bribe. I crashed the wedding, I took the bride and the cake too. No stopping me, only time I break is when I break through. And I'd son these dudes, but lately I don't got shit for them boys to relate to. I'm from that murder mitt, that dirty glove, that Cap City. No one was at my shows unless I brought them cats with me. First show split 20 bucks with Mo, TQ, Dags and me. Last show I big boy, when I left I had 3 stacks with me. Now who grinding like me? Tell me who working like us. When this show arrive in your city, tell me who get off of that bus for the jump off, jump off, jump off. Who ready for the jump off, jump off, jump off, jump off? To the races, back to the basics, back to this rap shit, back to the basement, back, way back, I'm out the park with it, back to the future, hop out the car with it, back in the spot like parallel park with it. I'm out here, what's cracking? Rappers got that ammo clacking, I just keep my camo sagging, dodging all the BBs. You were catching ZZs, I was serving you like B&B. You a mix of 2 whack rappers, I'm a mix of me and me. Shoot at me like COD or TMZ, but either way I'm blowing